So the double-decker bunk bed system, we're going to follow that design model we're calling the 4 C's. Conversation, concept, then a construction, and then a check. So basically the plan is we're going to have you draw this shape as described by our client to these measurements. So read carefully. I won't read it for you. That I can help you, but I won't read it in this video. I'm going to show you how to build this shape is the intention of this video. So I got to build this 10 foot by 10 foot by 8 foot tall structure that will sleep 4 people in SketchUp. Here's how I might draw the shape here. Okay. Nope. Okay. I'm going to go to, you'd have your camera, standard view, top. Camera, standard view, top. I have my views, my views of top. I'm going to begin by drawing this zone. It's 3 feet thick and 10 feet long. 3 foot by 10 foot. So I'm going to build a 10 by 10 square and notch out the back. 10 foot by 10 foot. I'm saying the word feet. Make sure we add the feet punctuation. If you type in 10 by 10, that gives me 10 inches by 10 inches. That's too small. And you put the apostrophe down here. So I'm going 10 feet, comma, 10 feet. Now it's 10 by 10 feet. There it is, and zoom out. I'm going to use the measuring tool, and that's going to make this drawing pretty fast. I know I have a 3 feet zone by a 3 foot zone. So here's that front edge of the sleeping quarter, the other edge. It's all going to be trash canned. So I'm going to pencil in this side of my bunk bed system, and then I'm going to erase off my measuring lines and this back corner. I go to a 3-dimensional view, camera, standard views, isometric. It'll make a lot more sense. So back to my plan here. So I kind of drew the floor 10 feet by 10 feet by 3 by 3. Here it is. And I know my plan calls for this little front to be 2 feet thick. 2 feet thick. So I'm going to pull this up 2 feet thick. There's that base of that contraption. 2 feet thick. Okay. Next, I'm going to build from the bottom up. I have a small zone right here. That's only this thick for 4 feet. So I'm going to build that zone next. The math here, 10 minus 8 is 2. It's a 2 foot zone that's 4 feet tall. 2 foot zone, 4 feet tall. Watch this. Measuring tape. I'm going to go a 2 foot zone. Draw the line from intersection to intersection. That's going to be 4 feet thick. Okay, over here, same thing. It's a 2 foot zone. Draw the line. That is 4 feet thick. Okay, so far I have this riser part done and that part done. Next goes the whole top structure. That's the same as the bottom one. Okay, but I do know that from here straight up also has to be 2 feet. How do I know? Watch here. The whole thing is 8 feet tall. Well, 8 feet. This is 2 feet. 2 feet plus 4 feet is 6 feet. 8 feet minus 6 is exactly. So I'm going to take and go 2 more feet straight up. I'm going to go 2 more feet straight up. 2 more feet straight up. And I'm going to build this little line that is down 2 feet and down 2 feet. And then draw the lines, and then what? How am I going to get these two shapes to crisscross? I'll show you. Clean it up a little bit. I push-pull this piece all the way out until that corner. It's like click, hold, drag, hit the corner, drop. Take this piece, go all the way out till that line, drop it. And then when you erase off that connection point, so you can't see it, and then you erase off the connection so you can't see it, I have my rough shape done of this double-decker bunk bed system ready for phase 2. So begin with this and then start the sketching of where you're going to add the items. All right, hey, good luck.